So what are service charges here in Dubai? What are your extra fees that you have to pay for the upkeep and the maintenance of your property? So a couple of my clients have been asking me again this week, and I'm thinking, do you know what? I need to do a video on this. So here we have it, your answer to that. So what is a service charge? So it is a community fee. It is a housing association fee, anything that you liken your fees to for anything that really is outside of the front door of your property. So let's look at apartments first of all. So apartment service charges are always going to be higher than villas because quite simply there is more community area that needs to be looked after and maintained, right? So if you think about when you step out of the front door of your house, you've got the corridors, they're lit up, that's lighting. You've got the elevators, the lifts, that's maintenance. You've got the underground car parks, again, maintenance, lighting, cleaning, and then you've got the exterior of the building, not to mention the interior of the building and all the floors and all the corridors and the cleaning that needs to go on, and the window cleaning. So for a building of apartments, you've got window cleaning to look after the exterior of the building. So all this costs money, and that is why service charges for apartments are always going to be higher than they are for villas. So for a villa, your service charges are really for the communal areas in the community. So that's things like the gym, the swimming pool, the facilities, the clubhouse, the security guards, and anything that is involved in the upkeep of the amenities and facilities for you as the resident. So what are we looking at? How does it work? You know, how does the service charges work? So I'm going to give you an example. I've written down two here for you. So for example, if you have a 4-bedroom townhouse or villa, your average service charge will probably be quoted to you as 4 dirham per square foot. So what does 4 dirham per square foot mean? That means on the built up area square footage of the house. So let's give you an example. A 4-bedroom house is 4,000 square foot. The cost of the service charge is 4 dirham. That is 4 times 4, so that is 16,000 dirham as a service charge for the whole year. In year one, you pay the whole year up front when you get the handover of your new property, and then following on, you would pay it quarterly in a direct debit to the developer. Okay, so that's for a villa stroke townhouse. If you have an apartment, then the average service charge, and I'm saying average, so it could be less. It's probably going to be less, but it could also be more, especially if it's a hotel residence apartment or it's a serviced apartment or it's a branded apartment. The more the luxurious the apartment, the higher the service charges. Okay, so an average service charge for apartment, let's take 21 dirham per square foot. Let's give you an average size. Our 2-bedroom apartment is 1,300 square foot. So that gives us a total 1,300 square foot multiplied by 21 dirham per square foot. So you've got 27,300 dirham for the year. And that again, you pay the 1 year upfront when you get handover. And then after that, you would pay that split into 4 checks. And that would be 6,825 dirham per quarter for an apartment. Okay. And the service charges are always paid by the owner. I mean, if you say, well, I want the tenant to pay, then it's just going to be changed in the price that the tenant's going to pay as per the market price. So it doesn't really matter who pays it, but ultimately the rental that the tenant's going to pay will be as per market price. So that could be something you can negotiate if you're wanting to rent your property. And yep, these service charges are paid, and developers have got pretty strict now with owners, and if owners delay on paying, they can also hold back your access card to the facilities. So make sure you pay your service charges on time. So for any more questions such as these, thank you so much for watching my channel, and for this video, like it if this was of help to you, and make a comment, and also subscribe to this channel because I am here to bring you value and information all about the most asked questions, the most popular communities, the top quality communities, and generally, share trends, market analysis. And I will be very shortly doing another video on my updated tips for Q3 here in the Dubai real estate market. So thank you for watching this video, and please share, and please WhatsApp me in the description below. You've got my phone number. So when you're looking to purchase a property, get in touch with me, and I'm here to help you. Thank you so much. Take care.